Hi guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about a product that I'm a repeat customer of. It's called Brazilian Keratin Therapy Flat Iron Spray by Organics. So my friend that was in beauty school at the time, now she's a hairdresser, recommended this product to me because I had just done the Brazilian treatment, which basically is a treatment you get in professional salons, and it basically takes all the frizz out of your hair. It's just a little bit hard to maintain because you can't use any products, shampoos or conditioners with any sulfates in them, which isn't hard to find, but you also can't really go in the ocean water or the pool because it will undo your treatment. So I was telling her that my hair felt dry, so she recommended this product to me, and I've been really happy with it, and I've been purchasing it ever since, so several years now. So Organics is the brand, Beauty Pure and Simple is their slogan. This is a 177 milliliter 6-ounce bottle. I'm like almost done with it because I use it pretty often. So it is Everstraight Brazilian Keratin Therapy, so you could use this. I use it like when my hair is damp and I spray it all over before I blow dry or put a flat iron or curling iron to it. I always try to put something in my hair like a heat protectant before I use any tools on it, like, which is, if you're like me and you blow dry your hair a lot or straighten it or curl it a lot, make sure you put something in it that's going to protect your hair, or else it could really become damaged and dry. This is an exclusive blend of antioxidant rich coconut oil along with lush keratin proteins to strengthen and soften the hair, while organic avocado oil and cocoa butter smooth the cuticle for straight, strong tresses, adding a brilliant glow and luminescent shine. And again, that's sulfate and sodium free. So for all you guys that have the Brazilian treatment in your hair and can't use any product with sulfate, or you just don't want to use products with sulfate and sodium because they're better for your hair anyway, this is a great product for you. And it is also like pretty easy to find in stores and online. So organic coconut oil and avocado extract. Why we love it. It's an amazing keratin therapy originating from the Amazon rainforest. Why you want it. This rich formula of Brazilian coconut oil and keratin protein seal and protect your hair from thermal heat styling. What's in it for you? The finishing spray works to smooth your locks with an exclusive blend of cocoa nut oil, rich keratin proteins, avocado oil, and cocoa butter. Dry hair completely. Shape Organics flat iron spray well to mix ingredients thoroughly. Spray evenly section by section throughout and smooth the hair with the straightening iron. So you're actually supposed to use this on dry hair. I mean, I put it when my hair is like kind of damp, but I guess the best way to do it, because I blow dry and then straighten my hair, so I kind of want it, that's why I do this, because I want it protected before I blow dry too, to protect against the heat, but technically it's really just supposed to be before you use a straightening iron. And you know what, I think it helps to keep my hair straight, and it seems to straighten my hair faster when I use the tools than before. So I've been really happy with it. It kind of like saves me time and definitely keeps my hair looking shiny and straight, and kind of helps keep the straight style and calms the frizz down, which I really like. Morning, avoid contact with eyes, rinse thoroughly with water if this occurs. For best results, use in conjunction with other Organics Brazilian keratin therapy products. Ingredients: water, alcohol dennet, PEG12, dimethicone, glycerin, polysorbate, polyquatmium 11, hydrolyzed keratin protein, Theobroma cacao, cocoa butter extract, coconut oil, avocado oil, aloe leaf extract, panthenol, perfume, and citric acid. Sorry if I butchered some of these ingredients. Some of them are hard to pronounce. So you could reduce, reuse, recycle. I know my friend loves these bottles. She's a hairdresser and she fills them up with water. So before she will do someone's hair, like cut it or something like that, she'll spray it. So she'll reuse the bottle, refill it with water, and then spray someone's hair before she cuts it. So she reuses. You could recycle, which is pretty nice. I do love the bottle. It's not tested on animals. It's by Beauty Pure and Simple, made in USA, and it's distributed by Vogue International in Tampa, Florida. Easy to use with the spray top. Oh, and by the way, this smells so awesome. It smells like a tropical vacation. Okay, let's see. super easy to use spray, comes out clear. It smells good. Now my bathroom smells like a tropical vacation. You could really smell that coconut in it, and it smells lovely. So it makes your hair smell good, it makes it shiny, makes it more manageable. I love that smell. It smells so delicious. Can't wait for you guys to use it. So again, that's Organix Everstraight Brazilian Keratin Therapy Flat Iron Spray. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I really hope you love the product. I'm sure you will. Thanks for watching.